Yeah, it's probably very hard, like.
I think we all just need to take a step back and listen.
Did she say we should listen to each other?
Will you be quiet? I'm trying to listen.
McGinty, may I?
Be my guest, Maddie. My orchestra is your orchestra.
Billy, repeat after me. Ba.
Bah,
Dusty, this is you. Ba.
bah,
And Frank. Ba.
bah,
And all together.
bah.
Wow, that's really impressive.
Now, we need a bass line. Irma, you're the high note. Moo. Aretha, you're the low one. Moo. Now we're getting somewhere. Keep that going, you guys. Everyone else, follow my lead.
Did you know she could do this, Triggs?
She's a young lady of many talents, Mrs. S.